Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at a Game Boy. So I got this a while ago and I thought it wasn't working. I put in some batteries and of course turning it on, it works perfectly fine. I wanted to do a video on repairing it, but I guess I can't since it's fully working. But as you see here, there's some visually it doesn't look good. There's like markings and all this crazy stuff. Screen's kind of meh. I wanted to do a battery upgrade, but I don't have that. So what we're gonna do today, and it should be pretty straightforward, is I got this kit from AliExpress, which is a case and I believe a screen upgrade. So I got this as a set. Don't remember how much I got it for. I will leave a link to it down below. I got it a while ago. It's just been sitting because I thought I needed parts for this, but I clearly don't. So what we're gonna do is just open this guy up and swap everything out into this and this and see how it turns out. So I guess hope you guys like this kind of stuff because it's gonna be a pretty different one today. So yeah, let's just get started.
You win.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million and dollars.
Alrighty, so this is the Game Boy completed. So I think I did one a few years ago, and I think I had to like cut this and I think cut this. So the cool part about this is I didn't have to cut anything. Case looks pretty nice. Buttons are cool. I'm not pulling this off just because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. But yeah, this is it on. The speaker does sound a bit weird. I think it's just kind of going out. Screen's now bright and vivid, which is cool. I think you could hear it. But yeah, this is the final product. And it's cool boy. It's cool. I think there's ways like, I don't know how to do it. This one? There are ways to like, there we go. I don't know how I did that, but there you go. Yeah, you can like mess around with this scroll wheel and like do things. I just don't know how. But yeah, that's kind of it. That's all I had. I'm probably gonna look into a speaker. If you know a good replacement speaker, leave it down below. Also for the battery, I know there's a USB-C one. The one I have, I don't really like. If you know one of those, also leave it down below. But that's kind of it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you like something different. And yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I didn't have to do anything. The only thing I would say is that seems different is the screen went down, and then that little like metal thing, the little guider went over it, so I didn't have to tape anything or adjust anything, and it's straight. So as you see, straight screen, straight everything. Everything's cool. Everything's good. So yeah, that's really it. So all's well that ends well. Fixed another one. Hopefully, you know, one day we'll get back to the Xbox. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. See ya. I can't fall